It's a 2018 Ram 3500. This 3500 was built for the jobs that demand more, tested for the days that make lesser trucks bow out, engineered for extremes. It comes with great features you love: automatic transmission, heavy-duty shocks, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, pearl coat paint, four-wheel drive, rear parking sensors, and turbo i6 engine. Motor Trend elaborates, clearly there's something for everyone on the new heavy-duty Ram. It looks better, it's got more features, it's got more power, and it can tow and haul more than ever before. Ram gets the job done. Take it for a test drive today.
Come tour our Poway showroom. Poway Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram is conveniently located at 13811 Poway Road in Poway, California.